Have I exhausted you? Okay.
Is this engaging for you? Because I
Yeah,
feel
very.
I are on the side of optimism a lot more. So you might
Of course, of
have,
course, of course. I'll bring down your energy, but you stay optimistic.
no. I mean to say opinion wise also. You might talk to another agent in another company or another similar someone, and they might have a slightly duller perspective to things
Hmm.
around currently. But yeah,
Why is that?
that is बिकॉज़ डेवलपमेंट जितना होना चाहिए स्क्रिप्ट्स का जितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ होना चाहिए था उतना नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज़ एक्टर्स have never been this indecisive in their lives. The ones who know that they have the control to, get monies running and do that. Because अच्छी स्क्रिप्टें लिखी जा रही हैं बट उन पे इतना काम होना चाहिए वो नहीं हो रहा है. बिकॉज़ बजट स्लैश हो रहे हैं बिकॉज़ फिल्में नहीं चल रही हैं for whatever reason. And like the world after pandemic has shifted a little bit with their consuming patterns. We want to experience now. So we would go to a concert and we would buy ourselves stuff and we would open a matcha tea store. But would we choose films or series as a way to for recreation or for fun, for escape? We have too many options now. We have a phone in our hands, of course, as well. So many reasons outside our control are leading to such frequency lapses. But it's just very cyclical.
See, I come from theater. So my anxiety levels have been tested and my depression
Yes,
has been tested and pushed to the
I
maximum. So apart from the every 4 year Prithvi stint or NCPA stint that we do, there's hardly any hope for us, but we keep ourselves motivated
yeah,
and optimistic. So to an industry to cry over that they're not making 20 crores, they're only making 15 this year is like, oh my god, I feel so
I
bad
know.
for you.
I
So
completely agree with you. I'm on the same page too. I'm like, guys, come on. Like, ठीक है, मतलब मानते हैं कि it's not the best and everything, and not every writer is getting paid, not every writer is as busy as they were. But it's also the time where, the level of natural bullshitting has gone down.
yeah,
People are being a little more conscious of what they're developing and they're being a little more thoughtful and they're just thinking through what they want to do.